Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah.
Going on, everybody? Hey, good to see you. Hey, how you doing? Well, it is a mow day. It is Thursday. I'm excited. I got some plans for the grass. I'll let you know here in a minute, but something I haven't done with you guys yet. Before I mow, I'll give you a little walk around of where my lawn is sitting right now. Usually I might give it a measurement or two, go from there and see what happens, you know, and blah, 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 blah. But let's give a little walk around, see what you think of the lawn, and go from there. I think it's really greening up, so let's take a look. So that is what the lawn is looking right now. It's growing pretty quick. It's growing really quick, and it's greening up, man. It looks good. It looks really good. Here's the side. Oh yeah, don't worry about all this right here. I'll get it. Back has greened up. Amazing. I love it. Easy day today. Got the front and the back to mow, and the front I'm gonna throw down some applications, which you'll see here in a minute. But let's all go enjoy that mow. All right, bye bye. Oh, okay. But lawn is not looking too great right now. That's okay. I don't know what's going on. I'm waiting too long in between cuts. Pretty sure that is the problem. It's just I'm taking forever. I mean, look at this. It looks like poo-poo. It looks like straight up dookie duke. So, I don't know what to say about that. Hey, it is what it is. And 3 days ago when I mowed, it looked like this. And within a day or two, day and a half, 2 days, it was already green and just looking great. Just right now, it's just not doing what I want it to be doing. Not too worried about it. Not too worried about it. But all right, well, that was the front. I'm gonna come back and do an application, which you guys will see here in a minute. All right, ladies and gentlemen, front yard's done, backyard's done, and now I'm doing an application of RGS Air8 and Humic12. And I tell you what, I've already killed 3 of y'all today. These damn wasps. Whew. But I'm gonna do it different today. No more hose and sprayers. Well, not anymore, but not today. I've seen so many people do it, so I'm gonna do it with my let me just show you.
Oh yeah, so I'll be laying it down with this bad boy. I like this thing, it works great. Not battery powered, but that's fine.
I don't need a battery. I get a workout, you know what I mean? All right, guys, I'm ready to spray down. Got everything filled up. Just to run through it real quick, with my RGS, I used 6 ounces of RGS, 9 ounces of Air8, and 12 ounces of Humic12. So, got all that, and I used my Ortho Dial and Spray canister to measure everything out, and I threw it in my Echo backpack sprayer and threw everything in there, and I had some water in there too, so I put water in there first, then I put in my applications excuse me, and then I gave it a good old shake around. So that thing's full right now.
Ready to go. We are ready to go.
Ounces. So and I got that out in my pump sprayer, my pump backpack sprayer. I'm going to use that from now on with my next product lines. That was easy, and it was awesome, and it felt like less of a mess, other than the cleanup part sprayer. And then that was it, guys. It was easy. My walking was down. You saw it, so I enjoyed it. That's gonna be my new tool for that stuff. So no more messing with these hose and sprayers. As I was saying in the beginning of this video, is that something I'm gonna start changing with my lawn is my watering. Something I pulled from Budget Lawns on his video, and I've seen it on a whole bunch of other videos as well, but watching his video, it made me realize and understand a little bit more. Like, I think that's what I want to do. So I got my tuna cans up over there, and I'm only going to water once a week, and I'm going to do this for my lawn in the summertime. And I know that's crazy, but I'm going to see what happens. I just want to see what happens, and it's going to be once a week on Saturdays, give or take rain. You know, if there's, like the other day, 2-3 days ago, we had 2-3 inches, so I wasn't gonna water on that last Saturday, because it did all that. So this next Saturday, if it doesn't rain, I'm gonna throw it out there, and I'm gonna throw down an inch of water in the front and the back, and then it's not gonna get any more water unless it's coming from above until the next week. And I'm gonna see what that does, and see if anything, because I'm not worried about it. I have Bermuda. You know, I don't have that other grass that, you know, it might kill or harm or just take forever to come back. You know who you are. Oh, so back up. I'm sure a lot of you have already said, like, well, some of these products need to be watered in. Yes, that's true. And you just got done saying you're not going to water except once a week. Yes, that's true. So what are you going to do when you do apps? Well, when I do apps, that is different. When I throw down apps like this and it does need to be watered in, I will throw my sprinklers out there real quick, water it in real quick, and that's it. But other than that, I'm not doing it for a week. But Bermuda, baby. That's all I got tonight. I'm just talking your ear off.
What is going on, everybody? Well, it is the end of the day, and I'm jumping in the shower, and I'm gonna let you go from here because you can't be here for this. It might be against YouTube regulations, but yeah, had fun today. A little weird, like I said, but ooh. But you know what's better than anything when you get done mowing and you're soaking wet, full of sweat, is a nice cold shower. So that's what I'm gonna do.